So one of the types of questions that you can add in inside of Microsoft Forms is rating question. So to do that, you need to click on add new, and then over here you can see that the third option is rating. So if I were to go around and click right here, you can see 5-star right here. That is because the level of rating is 5. You can go around over here and choose the level of rating to be 10 as well. And you can even go around and change the symbol from star to something like, let's say, number right here. You can make it hearts right here. You can make it ribbons and choose anything that you like, as you can see. Let me just go around onto trophy right here, for example. And over here, I'm going to say, how would you like to rate our service right here? Just like this. This is going to be the question, as you can see right here. So once this is done, this is how it actually shows up. So if I were to go around onto preview and scroll down, you can see that this is quite interactive. I can go around and click on, let's say, 7 trophies right here, just like this, or a certain number of trophies, and then you can go around and submit that data just like this. And that is how you can go around and add in the rating questions inside of Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.